There are only n red balls and n plus 1 blue balls in a bag. Shamsa takes at random 2 balls from the bag. We need to show the probability that both balls being the same colour is n out of 2n plus 1. So, probability she takes a red ball on the first time would be, well, there's n red balls, and in total there is n plus 1, or 2n plus 1 in total. The probability she took a blue ball out the first time will be n plus 1 out of 2n plus 1. Right, the second time. Well, if she took a red out the first time, there's only n minus 1 left of the red balls. And in total, there's now just 2n plus 1 minus 1, which is 2n. If, however, she took a blue ball out the first time, the probability that she takes a blue ball out for the second time will be, well, n, because she's taken a blue ball out of 2n. Notice I haven't bothered filling in what would happen with the blue ball on if she took a red out the first time, or a red ball if she took a blue ball out the first time, because I'm not really interested in that. I just want both balls being the same colour. So the probability of them both being red would be n out of 2n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1 out of 2n. Now, one thing I notice here is multiplying these together, these n's would cancel out. And I would just get n minus 1 over 2n minus 1 times 2. Probability of the first one being blue is n plus 1 out of 2n plus 1. The probability of the second one being blue is n out of 2n. Multiplying these two things together, I notice again that the n's cancel out here. And so I'll just get n plus 1 over 2 lots of the 2n plus 1. And the probability of them both being the same colour, we're going to add those two things together. So we've got n minus 1 over 2 lots of the 2n plus 1 plus n plus 1 over the 2 lots of the 2n plus 1. Notice that we have a common denominator, so I can actually add these two things together. And then simplifying my numerator, the minus 1 and the plus 1 will cancel out. The n plus n is just 2n. And then finally I note that the 2's cancel out. And I just get left with the answer of n over 2n plus 1.